अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद है तमाम व्यूवर्स और स्टूडेंट्स खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं क्लास फर्स्ट ईयर का बायोलॉजी का स्टडी पेपर लेकर हाज़िर हुआ हूँ। आपने बाकी पेपरों की तरह इस पेपर के तमाम MCQs को, शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस को अपने पास अच्छे तरीके से नोट कर लेना है। फिर इसकी अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी करनी है, प्रैक्टिस करना है, याद करना है, ताकि बायो के पेपर में आपके बहुत ही अच्छे नंबर आ जाएँ। तो बग़ैर टाइम ज़ाया किए हम पेपर की तरफ आते हैं। इसमें जो पहला सवाल है वो MCQs का है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर्स फ्रॉम गिवन ऑप्शंस। नंबर 1, द मोस्ट अबेंडेंट बायोमोलिक्यूल फाउंड इन द सेल इज़ A. carbohydrates, B. proteins, C. lipids, and D. nucleic acids. Number 2, DNA is composed of amino acids, fatty acids, nucleotides, monosaccharides. Number 3, enzymes are chemically fats, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins. Number 4, gaseous exchange in amoeba takes place through skin, gills, cell membrane, lungs. Number 5, which part of the human respiratory system is the site of gaseous exchange? Trachea, bronchi, alveoli, larynx. Number 6, breathing rate is controlled by cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, spinal cord. Number 7, the first line of defense in human body is antibodies, white blood cells, skin, fever. Number 8, HV mainly attacks red blood cells, platelets, helper T cells, plasma cells. Number 9, vaccines provide passive immunity, active immunity, innate immunity, temporary immunity. Number 10, which of cell produces antibodies? Helper T cells, B cells, macrophages, killer T cells. Number 11, animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates, invertebrates, arthropods, molluscs. Number 12, phylum Porifera is characterized by radial symmetry, pseudoxylem, pores and canals, segmentations. Number 13, which group has a joint appendages? Mollusca, Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata. Number 14, the largest artery in human body is pulmonary vein, coronary artery, aorta, vena cava. Number 15, which components of blood helps in clotting? RBCs, WBCs, platelets, D, plasma. Number 16, which of the following carries deoxygenated blood? Options: pulmonary vein, aorta, pulmonary artery, carotid artery. Section B, 16 marks. Question number 2A, note attempt any 4 questions. Part A, reasoning. Number 1, why are enzymes temperature sensitive? Number 2, why are annelids, molluscs and arthropods considered as protostomes? Or why is the blood of insects colorless? Or why kiwi cannot fly whereas owls can fly? Number 3, why do capillaries have a single layer of endothelium? Or why are echinoderms placed in bilateria when their adults are radially symmetrical. Number 4, why is water molecules amphoteric direct in nature? Number 5, why leukocytes are called soldiers of the body, or why monosaccharides are sweet whereas polysaccharides are not. Number 6, why does blood flow faster in arteries, or why the left sides of the heart muscles are thicker than the right side, or why pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood. Number 7, how do pre-capillary sphincters regulate blood flow through capillaries, or why do hairs and mucus glands are present in the nostrils and trachea. Number 8, how do fats provide more energy than carbohydrates, or what is the role of pyrogens and antipyretic in fever, or why is the heart sound lub and dub? Question number 2b, note attempt any 4 questions. Part B, non-reasoning. Number 1, write a note on ECG. Number 2, mention the economic importance of phylum Cnidarian. Number 3, differentiate between polyp and medusa, or cartilaginous fish and bony fish, or retinae and carinata, or deuterostomes or protostomes. Number 4, mention the causes of sinusitis or otitis media, or write a note on lung cancer. Number 5, how many types of leukocytes are there? Write a note on any one, or write a note on inflammation. Number 6, write a note on asthma, or write down the difference between condensation and hydrolysis. Number 7, classify proteins. Name 3 proteins along with their function. Number 8, write down the components of blood and 3 functions of blood, or write 4 characteristics of enzyme. Section C start here. Question number 3, note attempt any 2 of the following questions. Number 1, describe the structure of human heart. Also draw a well-labeled diagram. Or what is autoimmune disorder? Explain the role of B cells and T cells in transplant rejection. Number 2, what do you know about carbohydrates or proteins, or what do you know about the structure of respiratory system? Also draw a labeled diagram. Number 3, write down the salient features, evolutionary adaptations and economic importance of any one of the following. Number 1, Cnidaria, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mammalia, Mollusca. उम्मीद है तमाम स्टूडेंट्स ने इस बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट स्टडी पेपर को अपने पास नोट कर लिया होगा, और फिर आपने इसके मुताबिक बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी करनी है, ताकि बाकी पेपरों की तरह फर्स्ट ईयर के बायोलॉजी के पेपर में भी आपके बहुत ही बेहतरीन नंबर आ जाएं। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी लाजमी कीजिए। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।